Let me show you how to apply the dual lighting effect in Photoshop. Start by going into the select menu and choose subject. Click on the mask icon, create a layer mask beside on the selection. Next, click on the new adjustment layer icon and choose black and white to desaturate the image. Click on the layer thumbnail, then press the D key on the keyboard to set the foreground and background color. Next, create a gradient map. Open the gradient editor and double click on the white color swatch and set the color to the blue. And press OK to which set the blind mode to hard light. Next, selection the brush tool from the toolbar and black paint on the mask to hide the blue light on the right side of his body. Next, duplicate this creative map by pressing Ctrl J on Windows, that's Command J on the Mac, and then invert the layer mask by pressing Ctrl I on Windows, Command I on the Mac. Then edit this gradient and make the blue switch red, and this is my final result. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more tutorial.